If you want to limit the number of responses in SurveyMonkey, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step in just a few minutes. This is a very useful setting if you only want a survey to collect a specific number of responses, like 30, 100, or any other limit you choose. It helps you control your data, stop the survey automatically when the limit is reached, and avoid collecting more responses than you need. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, find the survey you want to manage and click on it. You need to open the correct survey first because the response limit setting is applied individually to each survey. After opening the survey, look for the Publish Survey option. This is where you can manage how your survey is shared and collected. When you click Publish Survey, you'll be taken to the collection settings. From there, click Edit Settings. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you adjust important survey collection options, including response limits. If you don't see it right away, just scroll down a little and look for Show Advanced Options. SurveyMonkey sometimes hides extra settings in that section, so this is the place you want to expand. Once the advanced options are visible, click Response Limits. This is the exact setting you need to control how many people can submit your survey. After opening Response Limits, turn it on. That activates the feature and tells SurveyMonkey that you want to stop collecting responses after a specific number has been reached. Now enter the number of responses you want to allow. For example, if you only want 30 responses, type 30 into the field. You can choose any limit that works for your project, whether you're collecting feedback from a small group, running a research survey, or limiting entries for an event. Once you enter the number, make sure it looks correct before moving on. To save the settings, simply click outside the box. In SurveyMonkey, clicking out of the field usually saves or applies the change automatically, so there may not always be a separate save button. After that, your response limit will be active, and SurveyMonkey will stop the survey once that number is reached. That's the full process. In just a few clicks, you can limit responses in SurveyMonkey and make sure your survey closes automatically when your target number is met. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your data organized and prevent over-collecting responses. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.